Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here in terms of your forecast at WXYZ. This cold front is sweeping through this evening. We'll push off to the east overnight and will bring us drier, cooler trend for several days. Now, we might get some sprinkles tomorrow, but after that, I think we're high and dry for a while. So maybe you have to get the old hoses out again, but it's cooling down. 58 for the overnight low. Again, the front is out of here, pushing all the showers, thunderstorms away by about 7 p.m. Overnight, the clouds break up. We get down to 58 in the city, some low 50s, especially on the northwest side of town. And then 77 on Wednesday. The clouds will build up after some decent sunshine in the morning. There's a slight chance for a couple sprinkles or a little shower, but it won't be a big deal. Look at the winds northwest, and they will stay from the north, northwest, or northeast for the rest of the week. So we'll have lows in the 50s in Detroit, but some 40s I think are around Thursday morning, Friday morning, maybe Saturday morning as well in the suburbs. And then highs will be in the 70s as we get decent sunshine here. A couple clouds on Thursday, not too many Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So a wonderful weekend coming up. Is this the end of the summer heat and humidity? Too soon to say, but this certainly looks like a cooler trend, doesn't it? Get out and enjoy the sunshine.